As we were discussing in the beginning of this session, what is a swap? As the name suggests, in case of swap, what do? In case of swap, there are two parties, and what they do, they exchange two instruments. Remember, they don't exchange the instrument physically. What they exchange is the cash flow on those two securities. So, a swap is a derivative contract through which two parties exchange financial instruments. These instruments can be almost anything, but most swaps involve cash flows based on a notional principal amount that both parties agree to. So please remember, they will not physically exchange the securities. The securities will remain with both of them. What they will exchange is the resultant cash flow on those two securities. Usually the principal does not change hands, as I said earlier. Each cash flow comprises of one leg of the swap. One cash flow is generally fixed while the other is variable. That is based on a benchmark interest rate, floating currency exchange rate, or index price. The most common kind of swap is an interest rate swap. So friends, what I would like to do, I would like to discuss this with you with the help of an illustration. And therefore today I am going to share with you this illustration, that is example of an interest rate swap. I am going to share with you as part of this PPT, and I would like all of you, tomorrow when you come for this session, you must have gone through this case study by yourself, so that when we meet tomorrow and when we try and understand tomorrow, we will be on the same page and our understanding will be faster. So this is what I intend to do for on the interest rate swap. Tomorrow we would discuss that actually. So now the question is options that benefit the issuer of the securities. तो कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस हैं जो कि इश्यूअर ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी को बेनिफिट करते हैं.